Hello, you all enthusiastic learners. Welcome back to Mind Map, where you map out your mind. Let's continue our learning journey by learning another new topic for the day, that is hibiscus and scientific reason for its health benefits. This is our garden. You can see many flowers here. Hibiscus is a flowering plant which belongs to Malvaceae family. These plants can grow as a shrub or a small tree. Scientific name is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. Common name is China rose. In Kannada, it is called as Dasavala. These flowers can grow as large as 6 inches in diameter and found in many colors such as red, white, yellow, pink, peach, orange and purple. These plants have more than 300 species which are distributed in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Most commonly available variety is Hibiscus subtherifa. Leaves are alternate, ovate, often with toothed or lobed margin. These fresh petals are used to make hibiscus tea, which has got many medicinal uses. Before going to the properties, let's see how to prepare hibiscus tea. For this, boil a cup of water in a saucepan, and when it starts to boil, switch off the flame, then add fresh washed petals of the flower to this hot water. Then add lime juice to it. Lime juice gives a nice tangy flavor. Let the color from the flower steep into the water. Steep for 10 to 12 minutes. Now at this stage, strain the tea using a tea strainer. Honey can be added to the glass to sweeten it. If you want, you can add ice cubes also for the serving glass. Let's start benefits of hibiscus tea. Just if you know the benefits, not at all enough. Map out your mind to find out the reason behind it. First benefit, it boosts your immune system. Antioxidant, that is anthocyanin molecules present in the hibiscus prevents the damage caused by free radicals, thus helps to boost your immune system. Second benefit, it promotes weight loss and prevents obesity. This is because hibiscus activates AMPK compound which stimulates the breakdown of compound, therefore prevents obesity. Third one, it promotes liver health by assisting the liver from producing proteins to secreting bile. Fourth one, antibacterial properties of hibiscus tea helps to prevent flu, common cold and diarrhea. Number 4. Along with anthocyanin, this tea also contains another antioxidant, polyphenols, which reduces the cell growth, thus helps to prevent cancer. Polyphenols also increases the metabolism and controls psychological symptoms. Next one, antioxidant present in the hibiscus tea helps to reduce both systolic and diastolic BP. Antioxidants also increases good HDL cholesterol and decreases bad LDL cholesterol. Next, hibiscus oil. Hibiscus oil prevents premature graying of your hair, strengthens your hair and makes hair dandruff free. This is because amino acids present in red color flower stimulate keratin production in your hair follicle cells. Side effects of hibiscus tea. Generally, consuming hibiscus tea is safe by United States FDA with no known serious side effects. Some people may develop allergic reactions. Pregnant women or those who are trying to become pregnant should avoid hibiscus tea in your diet because It can affect estrogen levels, which means that it has an effect of both pregnancy and fertility. It reduces blood pressure, so it is not advisable for those who are suffering from low BP. Consult your doctor if you are taking any medications before using hibiscus tea.